Alright, here's another block decking video. I'll move this over here to show you. This is the BHJ Blok-Tru, and what this does, it gives you a 2-inch bar that you center into your block through the front and rear main housing board, and that centers the block on a ring, much like this one. This is the 400 small block one, but you have to have these for each block you do. So we center off the mains, and then there's a cone in here, and that centers off the cam. And there's a slot in this plate, and that puts a straight line between your cam and your crank center line. Then, 45 degrees, there's a datum surface, and this is what I indicate off of. And I'll sweep my indicator front to back, watching that number. And what I will do is I have a machinist jack, kind of like this, and it's threaded. You can go up and down. I have it stuck in one of these motor mount bolts on the table. And I also have a turnbuckle sucking that block down to the table, and then I level it with the machinist jack. And talking about, the resolution of this indicator, this is 1/1000. This is a gray beard hair I plucked just for this. That beard hair is 3.5 thousandths. So getting this within 1/1000th of an inch, I mean, that's pretty minute measurement if you think about it, in contrast to how far they're out. So the advantages of doing it this way, we're blueprinting this block to repair any twist that may be on the deck from just mass machining. These blocks, when they were new, it's a good possibility it was just going in a completely bone stock application. I don't know if this was an HP block. I can't imagine what it came out of being anything interesting. I'm sure it's probably just old pickup truck block, but there's the numbers everybody's infatuated with. I don't know about these numbers. I almost feel like these are from some sort of rebuilder. But this thing has not been decked, and I'm going to correct the decks with my BHJ fixture. And I measure off of this surface. I've got a device that goes across the top of the block, and I square them. I make each side measure the same. I deck, and I can usually hit the mark within a thou or two. And that's pretty good tolerance for most stuff. I mean, manual machine, measuring it, getting it square, because we want the pistons to be as close to the top as possible. I aim to leave a little bit of clearance, but everybody's different. And that's what we're doing. I'll continue another video in this series.